Mets jumping on the Cardinals and starter Mike Leake early on Wednesday. Bottom one, Yoenis Cespedes with a man on second and 2 down. He'll single the left field off of Leake as Drupal Cabrera scores. It's 1-0. Next up, Lucas Duda. He'll double the left center field off of Leake. Cespedes will score all the way from first. 2-0 New York. They'd score 3 in the first. Then in the second inning, do more damage. Already leading 4-0. There's 2 on for Cespedes. That's another double to make it 5-0. Later in the second, the bases are loaded for Jose Reyes. He'll drive in 2 more with a single to center. In the 6th, Jacob deGrom striking out Eric Fryer looking. He was in control all night. But the Cardinals would make it interesting. Top of the 8th, trailing 7-3, tying run at the plate. Addison Reed has to come in and save the day, striking out Luke Voigt on a breaking ball in the dirt. The Mets end a 3-game losing streak, picking up a 7-3 win over the Cardinals. Jacob deGrom wins his 7th straight start. The series finale on Thursday has Seth Lugo starting for New York, Lance Lynn on the mound for St. Louis.